Alright, we're gonna try Chris Lavallee again. My first video, I got destroyed. I made it to level 5. And we're just gonna have to do that again. Oh, I can just hold it down? I was clicking one move at a time. Boom! Level 1. Level complete. How do we... That was dumb, I knew it. Oh, I lost a heart. You feel your heart, like... I lost a piece. I need every heart to get past stage 5. There's a knight blocking the way, and he's really hurting my feelings. And that's a knight up there, not a bishop. And I see that bishop over there blocking the way. Okay, if I get close to him, he can't hurt me. Oh, man! Beginner's mistake. Man, I'm gonna be like a I'm gonna be such a cho player after this. Why can he get me there? Oh, yeah, Why is this happening to me? Game over. Come on, man. Okay, we're gonna speed run this. Go. This is embarrassing. This is a good game, man. This really keeps your eyes open. Okay, this is on white. Was that it? No speed running. Chess is a thought. Whoa. There's no blitz on this. Come on, man! Oh, shut this thing off. How do you get rid of this game? I want my 50 cents back. It's making me look bad. How do I delete this? I'm gonna upload it anyway for amusement's sake.